What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority. So I bought this world most powerful flashlight and this thing is insane. It's really big, but also it's probably the most LEDs I've seen. Look how big that is. That is so cool, and it also looks like magnifies. So there's a safety. Okay, there's lumens on the side. Let's try to 80,000. Wow, that's 200,000 lumens. That is bright. Let's turn off all the lights and put it to the test in the darkness, because right here this is 80 lumens, 400, 9,000 lumens, 40,000 lumens, 90,000 lumens, and 80 lumen. This is 80 lumens. 200,000 lumens. That is so incredible. I'm pointing it the other way. It's kind of white wall, and it illuminates the entire room, everything. It's like having a miniature sun. Got it here, new zipper insert. So open it up, take off the classic one, and this will go into this new zipper insert right here. And I just have to press it 2 times. It's for safety. And we have right here plasma lighter. So I got my regular zipper 2 times and plasma lighter. So cool. Put it away. So I can enjoy classic lighter, but also new design. That blue insert. And it has right here 1, 2. Recharger. So awesome. Put it away. Since we talk about lighter, check out this JT DuPont Made in France lighter, luxury lighter. Super easy to adjust the flame by just flipping this out. It is a gas lighter. I could make it really big. It's probably too much, but I think this is perfect. Just flip it out. I love that noise. Boom. This side. And on this side, all I have to do is just flip this. And it's protected for refilling it. I mean, flip this out, pull it out, boom. There's a gas, plastic tip recommended. Actually, the only way to refill it is plastic tip, and there's actual serial number, made in France right here. That's a luxury lighter. It is about $58. I got it as a sample from TikTok shop. For free. The brand sent it to me for free, and man, I'm obsessed. This one is so cool. Hotta also give me this for free at TikTok shop. TikTok shop is pretty cool. They just contact you and like, hey, do you want to test this out? And actually need this for the knives to unscrew the door hinge and replace it in case it's broken. So you take off. It's magnetic. Ooh, also you put this for 5 seconds, magnetize it so you can pick up a screw easy, and then just plug it in and up, down, or unscrew screw. It's pretty strong and powerful. I'm trying to hold it as hard as I can. It's still moving. Love it. Recharging right here. And the cool part about it, once I put it all away nicely, if I drop it, it sits in there really good. The magnets holds it to where I can just push it back, even if this opens a little bit, but it shouldn't. Look at that, very durable. All the sits on the magnets. Plug it back in. Love it. Hotta magnetic screwdriver set with the electric screwdriver. Got it here, worsted corgi. So flip it this way, and this looks like a screw, but really it is a release button. And also I can press a button and flip it over. At first I didn't even notice this side here is a flipper, and it also has a front flipper. Very satisfying, very small pocket knife, kind of like gentleman style. Definitely a weekend carrier. Boom. Comes with a beautiful holster as well. Lumen top, a GT Nano. So this one a clear keychain and You just press it. No, wait, there's probably a protector inside of it. There you go. Comes with the right here 320 mAh batteries. So rechargeable, replaceable, I like that. And boom. Wow, look at that. Press and hold to change the brightness. And it's the brightest. Let's see the lumen right here. Press and hold, 1 lumen. Press and hold, and then 31, 180, 400. Double click, 720 lumens. A very powerful flashlight for so small. And there's a rechargeable right there. Got it here, another unique stove. Opens up this way, and the gas like this lines up and twist it. It will hold. Let's see, that should close it. Becomes, oh, you know what, I didn't twist it the right way, did I? Oh, what happened? There you go, messed it up. Open it, and now close it, and now we can turn it on. Boom. Very powerful stove. You can put a really big pot on it, and you can lower it. I love it. Very highly adjustable and burns really clean. Boom. Turn it off, remove it, and this will fold, put away. The whole thing will slide over, and then there it goes. I love it. It comes with the holster too. Got that here, a little inflator. Let's unbox it. So it comes with multiple attachments, and it become really small. I need this one. There's one more wire. Okay, what is the actual product? There you go. Oops. So what's in here? We got right here press and hold. Very powerful, a pump and a flashlight. Bright and flashing. It could be a lantern too. So I'll need one of these. Let's go inflate something. This is air mattress for hammocks. Let's see. Plug it in, and one button. Press and hold. And it will fill it up so quickly. You see how there is flaps? Oh yeah, it's going in so fast. Look at that. And you see those flaps is for the air mattress to hug you around. It took only a minute. It would have took me forever to do this mattress. And at the same time I could use it like a lantern or flashlight. I like it. You see how there's flaps? So it will be very nice and comfortable in a hammock. And right here, all I have to do is pull it out, open it. This one to inflate, this one is to deflate. MagStack Pro, I got it here 6 foot or 2 meters magnetic wire. What I like about it, probably will be my traveling one, because it is magnetic. I don't have to worry about it. I could take it apart and it will not tangled up, and at the same time I can roll it back up super easily, and it will not have any tangles ever. So just roll it real quick. Let's see what happens. And again, if I want to take it off, super easy, push it back together, no problem. Roxanne Flex, this multi-tool have surprised me. Let me show you what it's all about. It comes with this additional things that could be customizable multi-tool. So first of all, it's a multi-tool, adjustable, replaceable wire cutters. But what I really want to show you guys is right here, this right here. Push it forward. Oh wait, it's unlocked. There's a locking mechanism as well. Push it forward or forward, and I can take off any tools. If you think that is cool, just wait. If I push it this way and unlock that, I could remove any tools and change the way I wanna maybe organize them. Maybe this one will be first. So completely remove all these tools and separate them. So that's cool. Okay, let's try to slide it back in. Boom. Lock it back up, and it works again. like a regular their tool, and push it like this, and this way, same thing right here, easily to removable. Push it back, and there's even scissors, there's box cutter, there's so many different ones. What is the, oh, I forgot, I don't even have to pull it, I just push it a little bit. It's so easy. Boom, scissors, push this, unlock it and lock it so it will not come off by itself. This have amazed me so much. Axon Flex, amazing, pretty much customizable multi-tool. Is there any other multi-tools that can do that? Let me know in comments below. Magnetic tool holder, let's open it, see what it's all about. Okay, has a really nice clip with the another clip so it does not come off the belt. See how strong the magnet is. I'm gonna push it. Wow, it jumped up. Wow, I cannot even, look at that, jumping up. I cannot even pull it that easily. So if I need to put bunch of screws or even a hammer on a belt, I can do this easily by just placing it like this. That'd be awesome. Let's try it out. Gotta hold it this way. Look at that, it's doing so well. Even whenever it's sitting this way, boom, holding up the hammer. I'm trying to show you that I'm not doing anything. There you go. And I guess one more, this charger is awesome. So first of all, you just plug it in into the wall. That's not new. What's new for me, I could just plug it in right here and it will start charging. Well, if you turn it on, there you go, it's charging right here, and it indicates. And also if I set it like this, I guess this is a door, and I could use it as a stand, maybe. Let's see. There you go. Yeah, I could use it as a stand for sure. Or maybe I could use it this way. This way. Kind of. More so this way. Unless that's what I think that's is for. But yeah, USB-C, USB, 10,000 mAh. Very cool. Every time I have an iPhone, this gets really dirty and it breaks. I only use a MagSafe charger. Now I don't even need a wire. All I have to do is plug it in and charge it. Ready to go.